Ta-da! This is a Ficus Nana. Right? Am I right? What's up?
Morning! Eto, tinitingnan ko yung mga cuttings ko.
Okay, anong cuttings?
Okay na rin to. Cuttings ko to eh. Galing siya dito.
Oo, ano?
Ito na siya. Ayun na siya.
From this plant, you now have this and this. Oh no, and this.
Saka ito.
From cuttings.
Cuttings. Buhay na sila.
Nice.
Buhay na.
So what other cuttings do you have here?
Mayanak.
Okay, so this little section of our balcony has become a Mayana nursery.
Itong ganda. Ang ganda oh.
Wow, nice colors. See those pink with a bit of green and the dark brown.
Ito yung isa sa rear. Ayan, buhay naman siya.
Nice. Nice. So will you be selling these later? Soon.
Soon. Kagawa pa akong cutting. Ayan. Yung iba nasa baba.
Okay, so this is our balcony nursery. Yeah, lots of things on our balcony, but don't mind them. What are those? Portulaca. Also from cuttings, of course. But they are now blooming. At least one of them is blooming.
Oo, ano to eh, halos mamatay na to kasi yung ulan na ulan ayaw niya. So magka-cuttings naman ako.
So if you guys don't know, Portulaca plants bloom every morning.
Ito.
It's every day. Yeah, like these two flowers. Yeah, they are of different colors. So this is peach.
Kasi na si kaso.
Yeah, peach portulacas.
Yung red
There's
ko,
another bloom.
nasa baba. Ay, yun yata yan. Ito yung red.
Yes, it's withered.
Pink.
So there's no new bloom.
Ngayon lang sila nakaka-recover. So, kakadings ko para lumago na lang. Mukha siya asikaso. Yan, kasi busy. Nabalikan ko sila.
Okay, we'll get back to those portulacas. So as you can see, there are other plants here on the balcony. We have a yucca plant here. Something's wrong with the leaves.
Hindi ko alam eh, kung ayaw niya
I think it's drying up. It's not nagiging curly. The leaves are getting curly.
Parang po ng problem.
Maybe it doesn't like the sunlight too much.
Oo nga eh, kung nilipat ko siya ng pwesto. Ang aking mga San
Is this called gold dust? Gold dust croton?
Hindi ko alam.
I think so. I've seen this on Amazon. It says gold dust croton.
Ang curly.
Yeah, this is the curly croton. This is another rare croton.
Cotton din yan.
And this, I don't know what this is called.
Nakalimutan ko. Pero dapat naaarawan. Kaya ako siya nilagay dito kasi hindi lalabas tong white na yan. Hindi siya naarawan. Ayun to, hindi siya naarawan. Kaya siya green.
So this plant needs
ko siya sa taas.
the sun for those white variegation to come out. Yes.
Yun ang sabi. Kahit ito, kailangan niya arawan. Magiging green siya. Green lang.
Without the sun.
Mawawala yung
So
white
without
niya.
the sun, the white variegation will disappear. So it needs the sun for variegation.
Ganito yung nangyari kay ate, yung hindi na arawan niya sa ilalim, naging green ba?
I see. Ano nga uli yung plant to? Forgot.
Pasensya na, hindi ko kabisado ng mga plant.
I thought you mentioned it earlier.
Ayun yung mga... Yan ang...
So this is the overhead view of our little garden.
Simpleng Hardin.
Simpleng Hardin, yeah. That's the title of our vlog.
May mayan.
And look, this is the mother of millions. It's been here for quite a while.
1 year na yata yan.
More than, I think it's more than a year.
Ganyan lang siya.
You just leave it alone and it will thrive.
Souvenir yan.
And you see those little plants, that's why it's called the mother of millions, because once these leaves fall down, they can be turned into new plants. But I don't know, for some reason they're not surviving. Just these two mother plants. Let's go downstairs.
Yes. I need my walis.
Your walis.
My walis kasi ang
What kind of walis? Walis tambo?
tambo and thinking.
I saw the walis tambo upstairs.
Ayan, basahan.
This is the walis ting ting. It's made from coconut leaf bridges, you know.
Ito yung iba kong cutting. Ayan, punata.
This is black location.
Ayan, cuttings yan. Pa-survive na to. Isa sa rare. Survive na siya. Rare yan, rare.
It's really easy to propagate mayanas.
Ayan.
Yeah, these are also from cuttings.
Ito na yung
Yes, this is from the previous vlog.
ayan na siya.
What happened to your rubber tree plant cuttings?
Ito nga.
I see, a lot of people have been asking about this.
Lilinisin ko pa.
So it's alive.
Sensya na.
We've got 3.
Oo.
1, 2, and 3. So it's from a single long stem that's horizontal in this pot.
Dati 4 yan eh. Nawala yung isa
Yes.
dito.
Okay, the 4th died. That's its grave. And this, too bad, also died for some reason.
Ito yung cuttings din. Binili namin. Botanical. Okay na
Yes,
siya.
very nice, very nice.
Ayan.
Very colorful.
Bago pa siya marawan. Tsaka ito.
So these will have to stay here out of the sun until they get established.
Isang araw pa.
So going back to this dead rubber tree, we're not sure why it died, but we suspect it's because of the flood.
Nagdahon na siya eh. Tapos bigla siyang namatay.
I think it's because of the flood, because when the typhoon Ulysses came upon us, we got flooded. So this got submerged. That's why there's lots of mud still here on the leaves because of the flood. It's too bad. We had some plants that died.
Ayun siya.
Yeah, our little birds. Love birds.
Ito din. Re-recut ko. Ito yung sabing pag naarawan siya.
Okay.
Nagiging gray. Hindi rin nila alam yung tawag.
Become silver.
Okay, ang tawag dyan? Cadena.
Cadena de amor. The chain of love. I think these are red flowers.
Magulo. Kasi pinaulanan ko sila kagabi. Umulan kagabi. So, yan.
Yes. It rained last night. Rained
Nilabas ko
hard.
sila lahat.
So the leaves are still
Kaya
wet.
nakakalat sila dito. Ayan, makalat. Dahil umulan. Para mabasa naman sila sa ulan. Mga mayan.
So we have too little space left. So how do you intend to address that problem?
Ito ay
Some vacant shelves here right now.
Ito yung re-rehab. Hindi ko alam kung anong naging problem niya. Ayan, ulo.
It looks sick. And I think insects have been feasting on the leaves. See? We don't know what kind of insects. These mayanas are getting quite lush. Very lush mayanas. And I see you can actually take lots of
Gamit yung
cuttings.
binili sa akin ni ate. Tadaan!
This is a Ficus nana. Right? Am I right?
Sa tabang namin to binili.
From Bulacan.
250.
Tabang, Bulacan. 250 pesos. And it's got figs. See?
Hindi ko alam.
These are actually, I don't know. I think these are edible. You guys know if these are edible?
Daddy,
Let us know.
Bagay ba siya dito sa pot na to?
Okay, we might just put that here in this pot. But if you are going to turn it into a bonsai, the pot should be shallow. Yeah, so this is actually perfect as a bonsai.
Hello?
Yes, it's actually a very nice bonsai plant.
Oo nga eh. Ganda na ng ano.
Oh,
Ganda din yung nabili
ito lang yan. If you're going to turn this into a bonsai, you just wire these stems and pull them downwards to make it look like an old tree. But it will take maybe 2 years of training. But this looks nice already. It's a pre-bonsai. Yeah. Ficus nana. Nana. Yeah, that's a Ficus nana. Very nice plant. Perfect for bonsai.
Ayan, the rest. Pinaba ko lang doon yung mga ibang plants ko doon para maulanan.
Yeah.
Ayan, kasi andun sila nakalagay sa may bintana. So, para makaano naman sila ng water.
Okay. So this is in the way.
Ayan. Ito rin. Gusto ko pali cuttings kasi ang yung leg ito oh. So, kakat ko yan dito. Tutusok ko siya. Ayan. Ewan ko ba't siya nagganyan. Ito, na-rehab na. Medyo okay na siya.
Nice. Also nice.
Okay na siya. Yun, may isa pa akong
So what did you do to rehab this?
Natumba kasi ito to. So, kinat ko lang sila. Ayan.
You mean the stem broke?
Oo, ayan. Oh, okay na yung cut. Yung ano. Tinusok ko lang. Ayan.
Oh, these are several cuttings.
Tinusok-tusok ko lang sila. Pero ayan na, ayan na.
So you just stuck them into the ground, in the soil.
O kasi natumba sila.
Okay.
Ayan. Tapos, nag-change yung color niya dun sa pwesto niya dahil hindi siya naaarawan. So, nilabas ko siya dito. Mas maaraw dito. So, ayan. Bumabalik na yung... Ito, yung makulay na yun nandun no? Yung sa baba, daddy. Sa baba?
Yes, yes.
Yung makulay doon. Ito yun eh. Yun naarawan siya talaga. Kaya
Oh, that reddish.
niya. Oo.
That one.
Yung pink. Ayun yung...
Yeah, that one.
Oo, yun. Ito yan eh.
What's the same?
Nagbago yung kulay nito dahil hindi siya naarawan. O, diba?
I see. So this one hasn't been getting enough sunlight, so it's the reason why the color is like this. But if it gets enough sunlight, color turns like that, brighter. Okay.
Bago. Kaya yung mayana talaga gusto ng araw para lumabas yung talagang kulay niya.
Oh, look at there's a mushroom. See, let's get back to this Ficus nana. So you're going to put this into that pot.
Sabi mo, kung gusto kong ano, mahanap pa ako.
If you're going to turn this into a bonsai and use that pot, it can be trained to cascade, you know, the cascading style. It's perfect for that pot. Yeah.
Maybe, okay.
Okay. We will turn this into a cascading bonsai. So this will grow, these branches will go down. It's cascading.
Project mo yan.
My project?
Oo.
I need bonsai wires.
Yan.
I would need bonsai wires.
Saan yun nabibili?
Sa bonsai garden dun sa UP.
Shopee?
Dun sa bonsai garden dun sa malapit sa near the Gubat restaurant.
Ah, sa malapit lang. Tapos, bili mo tayong plants.
Sure.
Bili mo tayong plants.
So yeah, okay. So yeah, watch out for the progress on this Ficus nana.
Meron pa
So
ako
this is
isang...
Another Ficus nana.
Ito kay Botanical ko ito binili, di
It's
ba?
from a different seller.
150.
It's got larger leaves. See.
Ayan. So, ito, dapat,
Good. Look, it's got green fruit. The other has pink fruits.
anong paso ang kailangan mo sa kanya?
I would recommend bonsai pots.
Bonsai pots. Ang hirap kaya maghanap ng.
Madali lang.
Okay, hanap tayo ng bonsai pots.
So, shallow pots. Rectangular.
Ay, sayang, hindi ko pa binili yun doon.
Yeah.
Sa kaso ganyan na siya kakapal.
Who's the seller?
Binilang ko ng pot na yan.
Ah, I see. Also, clay. Yeah. So, the seller who gave us that, sold us that pot, also has bonsai pots.
Anong soil ang need?
I don't know. I guess this will suffice.
Yan eh.
I guess this will suffice. There's a millipede. It seems to be growing quite well in this kind of soil mix.
Puro ipa lang yan.
That's okay.
Walang soil?
We can do some research. Let us know in what soil this will thrive in. Ficus, nana. Okay.
Meron ako maliit na yun.
Okay, so yeah, so tune in again next time.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
And share on
And
Facebook.
share on Facebook.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.